Today, we're taking a look at the Toyota Corolla Levin GT Apex late version with engine kit from Mashima. B124 scale with engine detail kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. So this version was reissued in 2013, but the tooling was initially released in 2006 as the Corolla Levin AE86 83. And then following that in 2006, the with engine version was. And now we're getting started with the body. As you can see, it is a multi-piece body. And now we're going to take a look at the hood. Now we're going to take a look at the front and rear bumpers. And getting started with the chassis piece. You can see there is detail bolted on the underside. Bottom half of the engine, the oil pan, transmission, half of the drive shaft, majority of the exhaust all molded underneath. Engine compartment. And now taking a look at the what we'll call the chassis suspension parts tree. So up here in this corner you have, looks like, some shocks, sway bar, front suspension piece. Here you have more suspension pieces, tie rod, links, and here you have the rear axle, some wipers. Here you have some more wipers, front spindles, strut pieces. You have a couple of choices of rear view mirrors, or side view mirrors, along with a radiator grill. A radiator. And here you have the headlight pieces for the pop-up headlights that do function. Now we're going to take a look at the 4AG engine parts tree. Taking a look now at one of the interior parts tree. We'll then call this the main interior parts tree. And the interior door panels, decent detail. And the front seats, which are multi-piece. And now the second of the interior parts trees. So you have the dash, steering wheel, a couple different headrest choices. Over there are your headrest choices. Shifter, rearview mirror. Here you have dash, steering wheel pedals, steering column. Taking a look now at the chrome parts tree, which has brakes, mirror faces, muffler, and an exhaust tip. And now taking a look at the wheels. And now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall rounding rounds. And you get 4 springs for the working movable suspension as well. And of course, polycaps. And now taking a look at the headlight bucket piece. And now we're going to take a look at the clear parts for this kit. First, start with the main window unit. And then another clear tree which has another set of headlight lenses, corner lenses, the center grille piece, and a set of little marker lights down there. And then molded in transparent clear orange, you have a bunch of marker lights, turn signal indicators. And clear transparent red is the taillight panel piece. And now finally we'll take a look at the decal sheet. We have a couple of choices of a couple of different gauge options. So that is going to do it for this look at the Toyota Corolla Levin GT Apex late version with the engine kit. Shima. Some Toyota color matched paint from Jason Scalefinishes. He can get that mixed up for you. And on that note, thanks for watching.